Hey guys, so you've got heritage plates and you're about to put it on your car, in this case an Audi. Why do you need brackets? I'll explain. Mounting points on your heritage plates are here and here, and on the car they're going to be here and here. Metal, you can't drill into that. So get yourself a bracket and give it to a dealership, or purchase one and install it yourself. I'll show you how to get it done. Okay, install is quite simple. You get your correct screws from the kit. There's 2 holes there, they line up, they go there, brackets go here, adjust, and you're done. I'll show you.